Alright, 2019 headlight change, Ford F-250. You're gonna have 10 of these pop-up plastic connectors on the top. If you don't have one of these tools, you're a fucking idiot, because a screwdriver will drive you fucking nuts. Take those 10 out. And then this piece, you gotta fold up over your latch. This piece gotta push back. I generally just find something to shove in here to hold it up. We'll go goof off, which is probably relevant because I was out mudding yesterday. You got 10 millimeter bolts. I'm gonna pop those out. Get them out the way. That loosens up your front clip. Front clip's got just clips at the bottom on this. Give it a good firm jerk. It'll pull down on the inside. Got your camera clip and your water. And you get your grill out of the way. You can see here, these just snap in. So don't worry about yanking them out. Headlight bulbs. I like to use an extension for the two on the side. So I'm just using a small 10 millimeter. Over here, on this side, there's rubber here. Pull it back. You've got one bolt on each headlight. Pop those out. Also 10s. Everything's 10 millimeter. Makes it nice and easy. Got one on the top. Make note, this one's silver, not black like the other ones. You got two in the front. This thing's kind of got to fidget a little bit. I pull out on the bottom. I'm kind of rocking to pull it out of the. There's a clip in there. Well, not a clip, but a push pin. Just kind of get it out easily so you don't scratch it on your fender. Once you're out, change your bulbs. Do whatever you got to do. That's all there is to it.